welcome to the BCA Family Portal. Today, we're going to be running over how to request for reimbursement. To start, we need to find out what our student's allotment is. To do that, head to the Students page. Go ahead and click below to access information for a specific year, in this case, the 2022-23 school year for Ellie Bell. Click the Open button. Head to the Purchasing tab. At the top of the Purchasing tab, we can see that we have a beginning allotment of $400. Any pending allotments or orders will be listed here, as well as any that we've placed in the past. That gives us a remaining allotment of $295. With that in mind, let's head back to the What's New tab. Go ahead and click the button underneath Request for Reimbursement or BCA Order. Please select an order type below. For the sake of this video, we're doing a parent purchase. Select the student for that purchase, as well as the name of the person that the check should be made out to. Provide the date requested, and then begin to provide all relevant item information. For the sake of this video, we're going to select High School Extracurricular Supplies. The vendor that we're going to be using is Guitar Center. At Guitar Center, we bought a guitar, an amp, and some cords. Please note that there is a $300 limit per item, and there is also a 3-item limit. For more than 3 items, please submit a new request. Enter the requested amount for the reimbursement, as well as an URL for the item requested. Please share how you plan to use these items in your educational plan. You can take as much space as you need. Links to education plans are also acceptable here. Lastly, please submit a proof of purchase. If you haven't purchased the item yet or don't have the receipt, you can submit proof of purchase after approval. You can click the +Add button to add any relevant attachments, as well as provide a date for the receipt. Go ahead and click the Save button once you've completed this form. Once your information has been saved, you will be navigated to this page here. There you can see any relevant details for your request. If you need to submit any receipts following your request, you may do so by clicking the Submit Receipts button. If you're unsure if the information has been saved, you can click the Refresh button here. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully submitted a parent purchase request. Thank you, and have a great day.